Hello viewers, today I'm going to present ASP.NET Complete email service, user registration verification, reset password. If some user forget his password, then we can have a reset password option. Using this reset password, we can able to change the password, and after that we can log in into the system. And also one important things, document attachment. We have a write a email service. Using that service we can able to attach multiple files and send to the email, and you can able to download and view it through your email address. So here is our document management system complete application. In this video I just going to demo the email part, like user registration confirmation, reset password, and document attachment. So if I run the project, then I will initially create a simple user and try to log in. Then I will demonstrate the user registration verification, reset password, and document attachment. So this is our login screen, and let me just log in as an admin user. After admin user, I can able to access full application features. So this is the document management dashboard, and if I log in, if I go to the user registration page, then we can able to get all the registered user here. I'm just going to add a new user so that we can test and demonstrate all the email related features. So test uh, user phone number, let's say 123, email address, let's say this is my development email address, password is 123 123, and user role is general. So user is creating. So a user created successfully, and if I just sign out and log in as a newly created user, like password 123, login. We have sent a confirmation email to your inbox. Please verify your email address by clicking the link provided. So once you confirm the email address, then you can able to log in, unless you cannot be able to log in the system. So let me open my development email address. Here is the confirmation email we already received. So if we please confirm your account by clicking this link. So document management, this is thank you for confirming your email. Please click here for login. Also, we can log in from here. So let me just type the password again. So login. Hopefully this time we can able to successfully into login into the system. So as a general user, I can able to access the general document list and my profile. Let me just log out. So first, we have just successfully checked the user registration and email verification. Also, somehow you forget your email verification in the email box. You can send the email verification into login screen. Send a verification email. Let's say your email address, but somehow if you type the wrong email address, let's say 44, then you cannot able to get the email verifications. User not found with this email address. So let me just try with the actual email address. Send. Email address you have given is already verified for so this email address already verified, so don't need to verify again. Click here for login. So now we are going to check the forget password. So using forget password, we can able to reset the password. So let me just start by clicking the forget password. We have to provide the right email address. Let me just pass the wrong email address. Reset password. User not found. So let me just try with the actual email address. Reset password. So system is sending the reset password email. So please check your email to reset your password for login. Click here. I'm just going to open my development email address. So here is the reset password email we already received in my email box. So please reset your password by clicking here link. So email address will be my development email address, new password, one two sorry, we'll type the not the same password, 321 and 3214. So I just type extra one. So we have added the validation. That's why the password and confirmation password do not match. So if we remove the extra one, if I click reset button, then hopefully it will reset the password. Your password has been reset. Please click here for login. I'm just going to my actual browser. Click here for login. Dev email. If we press the 123, the first password, then we have sent email verification. Sorry, Dev email VD. Password is 123. Somehow Dev email VD. We press the 321. Then we can successfully log in. Maybe some validation mismatch there. I will fix after this video. So we can successfully log in after the reset password, and we can get the verification email address. Now our third option is checking the attachment document. So we'll attach multiple document and send to the email, and then we can able to download and view. Let me just log in as an admin user so that we can browse the document list feature. So using this document, this is the main feature of this application. You can able to add document, view document, download document, also the add others embed like comments, others things as well. So let me just create a complete new document, test document, and I will attach four related document. So let me just add multiple documents. So you can add the document category. I'm just adding just let's say confidentials, and status is new, and choose files. We can able to add multiple files. Test doc. Here is the test doc. I just listed here. A doc file, PDF file, text file, image file, Excel file, and also the PNG file. Okay. So I'm just going to add 7 files and save. So document created successfully, ID is 42. So we have created a document. Let me just rename it test doc. So test doc created successfully. Our main purpose is send email by attached to the multiple files. So if we go to the file details, then we can able to check the complete list, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, also the content type, and we can able to view the document files. PDF file, definitely we can view the PDF file. Here we can view the PDF file, and also we can able to view the doc file as well. ASP.NET tutorials.doc view. So we just write a service for viewing the Microsoft doc file. So our main aim is sending the email using the email attachment. So by using share button, you can send email. So sender email is I will be using this email. So you have to configure the email service as well. I'll show you how you can configure, and you can select the list receiver email from the customer list. Also, you can type the email address if that email not listed into the customer list. So already dev email into the customer list. So if we send the email and send this email, it will uh, it will receive with multiple attachment 60 with 6 different files into the email box. So system is sending the email. using email service system, email sent successfully, document name test doc. So if we go to our development email address, then the document email, document management system test doc. And as I mentioned earlier, we can able to get all the document into the email, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all documents with the right expected format. So summary is we can able to get the document attachment email, also the reset password and the user registration verification email address. So before testing this, you have to make sure the email configuration. We have just created a common list. You can add multiple email for email service. So here we have and one email have to be must have to be a default email address. So if I go into the default one, so you have to add your email address, and this is the Gmail app password. Using this, you have to configure the app password into your Gmail settings, and host name is smtp.gmail.com. Port is 587, and SSL enable must be true, and sender full name it will be the email title. And so this is the email title is default. So you have to configure this email configuration. So email is dynamic, and if we go to the project for the email service explanation, so solution explorer, like we have a service like email sender. We have a like interface email sender, and we have two commands. Send email is the regular sending the regular emails, and the document email it will send the document with attachment. If we go to this interface implementation, send email sender, and first one is like sending email using Gmail SMTP. We are getting the email configuration data by where condition is default, and here is the email configuration data like password and the Gmail details. And we just keep the password encrypted, so we need to decrypt the password. Then we just decrypt password and passing the all the all the email details into the SMTP clients. So here is the SMTP details, and finally send email successfully. And second one is send email, send document email. Here is the one default option. So sometimes we save the file into the direct database. If file save into database, then we have to just check the database binary format to and to convert to document. So here we just convert it to the document and sending to the email. Here is the attachment. And if it is direct, if it is saved into like root folder, document root folder, then it will check this condition and attach the document here. So this is for pulling data from database, like binary data, and attached to the document. And this is the pulling data from the application root folders and document folder and attached into the email. And here is the SMTP client configuration, like host name, port number, and passing the network credentials like password, and from email address to email address, email subject, body, and each body HTML is true. So this is the email details for sending email and the sending document email. So this is the ASP.NET MVC application. We just update this document management system in .NET 8. And if we go to the technical details of this application, then definitely we can have the details into this application of details. So technical feature ASP.NET Core 8, Entity Framework Core Port Fast, Identity, MSSQL, or also you can use MySQL, partial page good operations. So in this application, we are not use full page loading, just a partial page loading. jQuery data table for grid view, which is pretty faster. Sweet alert, select to drop down, ASP.NET MVC architecture, Swagger for API documentation, dependency injection, standard naming convention, and the SignalR for SignalR for the syncing instantly with the two different users. So this is the document management system, a technical feature. If you like this application, then so here is the project details, files and document management system using ASP.NET Core Entity Framework Core, MSSQL and database. You can use multiple database for this application. And if we go back to the code base, so let me just give you the simple overview. I just already explained the email service. So this is ASP.NET MVC application. We have used .NET SDK 8.0. It is the 8.0, and all the NuGet packages is updated. Entity Framework Cores and the other NuGet packages. And this is ASP.NET MVC. So here is our controller, and here is the view, and here is the model. So we have the view model into the folder, and model into the direct in model. Using appsetting.json file, we have make sure the database connection string. So we have a multiple connection string. So no credentials for using Windows authentication. You can connect your SQL server with the username and password. You can connect your SQL server. The second connection string. Third one is PostgreSQL. Also, this application is supported the PostgreSQL, and the fourth one is MySQL. Uh, DB connection string, you just pick one connection string name from here and pass here, and you have to make sure your server name properly. This is your server name, and the user ID and password is this is your MSSQL server user ID and password. So this is the overall basic explanation of this project. And in the front end, let me just run the project and give you the simple overview. The front end, a grid view, what we have used for paging, sorting, searching, and filtering the data into the front end. Let me just log in as admin user. So if we go to let's say document. So this is the grid view. We can see like total 42 documents, and here is the designation. So if we go back to the first page, and we can here is the sorting option. Also, we can search. Let's say system. If we type the system, so yes, sorry, then we can get able you can able to get the system word related documents file. So search function is working absolutely. So this is the data grid view, and grid view just pull data using the API call, jQuery Ajax call, and bind the data into jQuery data table. So we have used the data table. For front-end operation, we have used jQuery data table, and all JavaScript function we have written into JS folder. And here is the folder-wise, feature-wise folder like document. We have written all the JavaScript code here. So data tables, and another one is code operation. So if you are interested or like this application, then I will share the details into the video description. You can purchase this application from Code Canyon. Here's the link. So I will share this link into the video description. If you are interested or like this application, then definitely you can purchase this application from the Code Canyon. So after purchase, what you are going to get, let me show you. After purchase, you are going to get uh, let me just open. So after purchase, you are going to get a complete source code, complete database code first. No need to no, do not need to worry about the DB script and the database table. So once you run the project, automatically database will create first, then all the table, and then system will generate the drop down and other table data dynamically. And complete project documentation, year diagram, architectural diagram. Let me open the architectural diagram so that you can get the project overview, video tutorials, and free tech support. So I'm going to open the architectural diagram of this project. So this is the architectural diagram of this project, front end, back end, and database. Here is a sample of MSSQL server, but you can definitely use the MySQL and PostgreSQL database as well. Into the back end, we have used, this is the old EMS. So we have already used .NET 8.0 and MVC framework, model view controller. And with the MVC controller, we have used entity framework code ORM and few services and view models for a data manipulation and the ASP.NET identity and MVC and MVC architecture. We have you install some NuGet packages like entity framework core and other required services. In the front end, we have used Bootstrap, admin LT for admin uh, complete responsive theme, jQuery data tables for grid view, jQuery for other operation, JavaScript for front end common operation, ASP.NET Razor for front-end view data, HTML and CSS for common operations. So this is the architectural diagram you will get if you purchase this application. So thank you for watching this video, and if you are interested, then definitely you can get complete source code from the Code Canyon. So after completing this video, we can summarize. So we just completed like user registration, email verification, forget password, and document attachment, multiple document attachment into the email list through the Gmail SMTP setups and the email services. Thank you again. See you in the next video.